The PGA may be over at Valhalla, but not the repercussions from the arrest of the #1 golfer in the world.
WDRB's Scott Reynolds brings us the latest on what's happening with the felony case against Scottie Scheffler. Scott?
Oh, it was a contentious hearing in front of a judge this morning to move Scheffler's arraignment from tomorrow until June 3rd. County Attorney Mike O'Connell said Scheffler's arraignment tomorrow should not be moved to a later date. He said that would constitute special treatment. But Scheffler's attorney Steve Romines fired back in front of that judge.
There's nothing about inappropriate regarding moving a court date. It happens every day. And so Mr. O'Connell says, well, we don't want to treat him differently. Then go through and look how many cases are agreed to by continuance by the county every day. They are absolutely treating him differently, right? And they have no basis for it.
The judge agreed, and Scheffler's new arraignment is June 3rd. As it stands now, Scheffler will have to be there unless both sides agree he doesn't have to be. It all stems from what happened last Friday. Golf fans around the world couldn't believe the news. Scottie Scheffler drives to Valhalla, got caught in that traffic jam about an hour after a fatal accident with a pedestrian. That's when Scheffler says he followed the directions of officers to change lanes and access the course a few yards down the road. But another officer shouted at him to stop, and he didn't. And LMPD says Detective Brian Gillis grabbed the side of Scheffler's car, was dragged a short distance, suffered some abrasions and pain and swelling. Scheffler ended up in handcuffs and an orange jumpsuit, taken to Metro Corrections, charged with felony assault of a police officer and other charges. Scheffler has said it was all a misunderstanding in that darkness and rain, and he praised officers at the scene and at the jail. As of now, with a felony charge again, it's expected Scheffler would have to be in court in Louisville. And again, that is coming up on June 3rd, unless there's some other resolution the judge agrees to before that. The judge moving this arraignment date because she said Scheffler did not have Mr. Romines as his attorney when tomorrow's arraignment date was set. Scott Reynolds, WDRB News.